Hey, what's up, guys? Botany and Black, Nuance at you. Quick FYI. Quick. Plants and nutrient transport depend on two vascular tissues. One being the phloem, the other being xylem. Phloem and xylem. First, your phloem is a vascular tissue responsible for transporting sugars, proteins, and other organic molecules from the leaf and shoot to the rest of the plant. Okay? That's your phloem. That's its job. And if usually almost all the time, your phloem can be found in the very center of a plant. So if you was to get a tree, break it in half, the innermost part would be your phloem, and that's responsible for mostly transporting sugars and other things, other substances to the rest of the plant. Okay? And then you have your xylem. Xylem is a vascular tissue, and its two main jobs are to transport water and minerals from the root system up to the rest of the plant. And not only that, the xylem, since it's rigid, you'll find that this is what bark is composed of, is xylem, which is probably also why a lot of cultures use the bark, and the bark keeps its medicinal qualities for longer than the leaf or other parts of the plant. So that's your xylem. Its job is to transport minerals and water from the bottom to the top, and due to the rigidity of it, it supports plants as well, and that's what you'll find bark is composed of. It's mostly xylem. And within the xylem, you have these like elongated cells called tracheids, and that's what actually does the work of transporting water and mineral salts to the rest of the plant. Why does the plant need to do this? To drive a process called mitosis. What is mitosis? Same thing as in humans, but with plants, mitosis is how we multiply apical meristematic cells. Basically, those are just cells that grows at the very tip of a plant to make it grow taller or longer if it's a vine. Those are your apical meristematic cells. All that means is cells that make the tall tree or plant grow taller. Okay? And this process depends on its vascular tissues, So, just something real quick, nothing too deep, guys. I mean, that's so now you know how plants get its nutrients through the vascular tissues. One, the phloem, which is responsible for transporting sugars, proteins, and other organic molecules, and your xylem. It transports water, mineral salts, and supports the plant structure, and that's what bark is composed of. And if you was to break a tree in half, the outermost part of what you would be looking at would be the xylem, guys. Okay? Peace. Botany and Black. The soup. Nuance. Peace.